Welcome one and all, my name is Tawess, and today we are going to do a little, not really an unboxing, more a blind box opening actually. Because I was downtown today and my local GameStop had a sale on the Blizzard Overwatch backpack hangers. Not the most exciting product, I know, but you know, it is what it is. So, I got 3 of those and we'll see what we get. I think I'm going to pick up a Reinhardt, because I felt the boxes, because there are not that many of them left. I didn't want 3 Reinhardts. So I'm gonna just put the camera down and see what we can open. Careful. Also sorry for the crinkling. Let's see what we get first. First off, we have a little Widowmaker. She is absolutely adorable. Now, these are tiny little things, for all intents and purposes. And the reason I get these are because my current backpack hanger is an old Cerberus keychain that is looking really ratty. It's metal, so it's still good, but it's looking really ratty. Let's see. This was really crinkled up. There's a tear tab. I think that's a tear tab. Yes, it's a tear tab. So, let's see what that doubles. No! And I got my favorite little angry Swedish engineer. It's too bad he's so omnigracist. But I guess he has his reasons. Not that that exactly excuses him, but yeah. It's a really solid little piece of plastic. Looks very angry. We'll have to touch up some details, I see, because these aren't the most detailed things. They're surprisingly detailed for what they are. Oh, this one is really light. I wonder if it's a tracer. I thought this one was Reinhardt actually, because it was such a heavy piece, but you know, Torbjörn works a lot better for me. And we get... No! Senjata! I'm actually happy with that. He's adorable. He's an adorable little thing. So, out of these 3 I got Widowmaker, would you just... Senjata and Torbjörn. Now the full series also includes Soldier, Ana, Diva, McCree, Tracer and Reinhardt. Senjata isn't even on here. That's interesting. Did I manage to get 2 different series of these? I mean, I know he's... Sorry, putting elbow right in the frame, but... No. I can't actually see Senjata on... Oh, actually, never mind. There's also a big sticker over him. There's also Reaper and Senjata and a mystery hero, which I would assume would be Zarya then? I don't know. Perhaps I'll pick up more of these, because they're cute. Really cute. And I can like them. We'll switch out my current keychain so I can show my current keychain. It's all and ratty. Let's see. Is this... Let's see. This is my current keychain. It's an old ratty Cerberus symbol that's been worn